What's up, guys? Today we are playing Steal a Brainrot because you guys seem to really like the last video on Steal a Brainrot because literally that got 120 likes. Views. And I don't even care that we didn't get 5 likes. I'm still making a part 2 because, bro, I got so popular. I got 3 subs off of that one video. I'll never sell my Frigo Camilo. Ooh, Bombadillo Crocodilo, but I'll never get that because he's guarding that thing like it's his baby. So I'm just gonna let that go by. Ooh, what was that?
Glorbo frutto drillo.
Oh! Give me I want it back. Okay, I'm losing fights so much now. I want to steal that ballerina cappuccino. Cappuccino assassino. Cappuccino assassino. Assassino cappuccino.
Nubini pizzanini. Tung 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 sahur.
What are you doing? Are you gonna buy Tim cheese?
Fluri flura.
Bro, I heard the Tim cheese sound. Oh, I don't want to go in there because, if I try to get one, no. Why would I do that? No.
Chimpanzini bananini. Chimpanzini bananini. Chimpanzini bananini bananini. Chimpanzini bananini. Chimpanzini bananini.
That's more than $1 billion. But I already have one, so it's fine. On it go. Anything good? No. Oh, bro, Tim Cheese actually looks cool. If he was a mythic, I would have a jillion of him because Tim Cheese looks so cool. Let's go! It's all for me. No. Let's go. I got it in my base. What you gonna try to steal? Nope. Crazy play. Crazy play. I got it. Crazy play. That's good. Now I have 2 Rhino Tosterinas. Bro, this game is actually so fun. Anybody want some tacos for dinner? What is that? Okay, I'm gonna sell that guy. He's only a rare. What does it mean by anybody want tacos for dinner? What? How did that not hit, bro? What? Tacos? Yo, this is sick. I didn't know there was a taco thing. Yo, that's sick. If I try to get a taco. Go outside, idiot. It's taco day. Yo. This is sick. It's like a dream, yes. It's a dream. In Steal a Brainrot, they got It's raining tacos. Let's go. This is the best. Good. Is that ballerina cappuccino? I thought that was ballerina cappuccino.
Perochello lemonchello.
Yo, this is so cool. Wait, what? Oh, it does something. That's cool.
Chef Crabracadabra. Chef Crabracadabra.
Should Mateo make another appearance? Never back down. Never give up. This is really cool, bro. I wish Grow Garden has this stuff. I'm joking. It does. Except I'm seeing a lot of no and yes. Amateur chat. There's yeah. Mateo vote or 2 times luck. 2 times luck. 2 times luck. Not gonna lie. 2 times luck would be cool. It's raining tacos. I love this game, bro. This game is nice. Tung 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 solar. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No! I missed the update. Bro, it comes back in 24 hours. What the heck, bro? What the heck, bro? It's gonna take forever. What do you want, Taff? I think bro has the Taff hood. Dun, dun. That was really cool. I'm gonna end the video there. 100 views for part 3.